it's Dhruva. Welcome to my channel. So honestly, when I said I'll be uploading one video every single day, I had no idea how stressful it was gonna be because every single day I have to think about a topic, brainstorm, do a little bit of research, then I film the actual video, then I have to edit the video, and then I upload and publish the video, and then I share it across different social media platforms. Honestly, that is too much work for a single day, and I really commend and hats off to the YouTubers who upload videos every single day on their channel. And I feel I'm doing a pretty decent job keeping up. So if you haven't watched my previous video, then this is the video and I'll leave a card over here so you can catch up. For today's video, I have thought about trying some makeup hacks from 5 Minute Craft. I have done a similar video previously, but I had tried their fashion hacks and you guys seem to have liked that video a lot. So today I thought of trying their makeup hacks. So without wasting any further time, let us quickly dive in. But before that, if you're new here and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, and also press that little bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video goes live on this channel. Mostly I'm uploading videos in the evening these days, around 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, but press that bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video, so you can keep a track whenever a new video goes live on the channel. So yeah, let us quickly dive into the video. So for the first hack, I have chosen a hack in which the girl is applying her eyeliner but with a lipstick. So I've taken two liquid lipsticks here. One is pink and another one is brown. But I feel I'm going to stick with the brown shade because that will look more realistic. And I'm going to pick a very thin brush, something like this or this, to apply the eyeliner using the liquid lipstick. So this is the lipstick that I've chosen and I feel this brush would be better. So let's try. So this is how it turned out and I feel it's looking good. I even applied the same lipstick on my mouth to create that whole look, and I feel it's looking really good. Probably if I tried it with a very darker shade like a purple or something, it would have looked even better. Yeah, the only issue I had was that I couldn't create that wing in the eyeliner, probably because I'm not used to applying eyeliner with my brush. But overall, I really like this hack and I'll give it a 8 on 10. So for the second hack, the girl is using a round brush, something of this sort, and is converting it into a highlighter brush, something like this, just using bobby pins. And I'm really curious to see if it actually works. So let us give it a try. So I've taken this brush over here and some bobby pins. Second hack did actually work. The only thing is you have to make sure that you are using the bobby pins towards the very end of the brush, so that when you apply the highlighter, it doesn't touch your cheek or it even doesn't touch the highlighter palette, and you'll ruin the brush on which you are trying this hack. So I would rather you just go and buy yourself a highlighter brush. So I'll give this hack a 6 on 10. So in the third hack, the girl has really messy hair and she just a little bit curls her hair, uses a hair straightener, irons them, and when she opens her hair, turned really wavy and was looking kind of good. So let's check it out if it works. honestly, I don't know what to say about this one. It kind of worked. Also, 5-minute craft videos, they do not actually mention for how long you're supposed to do it or how many times you're supposed to do it. So I was not very sure if I was supposed to, do it one more time or something. But it actually worked on this side. I don't know what happened over here, but it worked over here. But I don't know if I would step out with my hair looking like this. It doesn't look right. Something feels wrong. So I'd rather curl using a straightener. If I want to curl my hair, I'll just use a hair curler. But I don't think I would want to try something like this. So I'm not very much happy with this hack. So I'll give it a 5 on 10 maybe. So for the fourth hack, the girl is using color pencils to create a rainbow kind of an eyeliner effect on her eye. She's also applying on her inner eye, but I don't think I'm going to do that because I feel that's risky and can cause an eye infection. So I'm just going to stick to the upper eyelid. So let's give it a try. So I had to dip the color pencils in hot water for a minute, and that's done. So before trying, let us first see if it's working and try rubbing them on my hand. Yeah, it's actually working. See, let's try it with a different color, maybe green or something. Yeah, it's working. See, it's more like a watercolor kind of I think it's not very thick or something. So what I've observed is the dark colors are working really well, like this blue and this orange worked really well, and also they were not very nicely sharpened, so they were very thick in texture, and these worked really well. The yellow didn't work for me, but now let's try it applying on the eye. So I'm done, and it was really easy to apply because it's a pencil, so you can easily apply and also manage the thickness of the liner. And yeah, it's looking really colorful, and you can do such an eyeliner if you have a themed party or something. I think it'll look really nice. I personally would feel that do not apply your eyeliner very close to the eye so that it cannot enter your eye, because these are after all pencil colors and you don't want them entering your eye because that could be really risky. Otherwise, I feel you can try this hack, and I'll give this hack a 9 on 10. So guys, those were the hacks that I wanted to try from 5-minute craft for this particular video, and I really hope that you enjoy watching it. I've seen a lot of other hacks, and let me know if you would want me to make a part 2 for this video. I have also done a 5-minute craft fashion hack video, and if you haven't seen it, I'll leave a card over here so you can quickly watch that as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, press the bell icon, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Till then, bye.